Welcome to Highway Legends, your ultimate destination where machines turn into legends. If it's got wheels, power, and an engine that roars, we're going to dive deep into it. So fasten your seatbelts, because today we're heading into the belly of a beast. The 2025 BELAZ 75710 is not just a truck, it's the most colossal mining dump truck in the world. And when we say colossal, we mean it in every sense: size, strength, technology, and capability. This machine defies expectations, challenges gravity, and pushes the boundaries of what human engineering can achieve. Imagine a truck so big that it can carry the weight of over 30 adult elephants in one go. That's not science fiction, that's BELAZ 75710 in action. Made in Belarus by BELAZ, this giant has become an icon in the mining industry. Originally launched in 2013, the 75710 series keeps evolving. And now, in 2025, it's more powerful, more efficient, and more intelligent than ever before. Standing at nearly 8 meters tall, about the height of a 3-story building, and stretching over 20 meters long, the 2025 BELAZ 75710 is a mobile mountain. Its unladen weight is approximately 360 tons. Fully loaded, it can weigh up to an incredible 810 tons. That's right, it can carry up to 450 tons of payload in one haul. For perspective, that's more than the combined weight of 2 Boeing 747 jumbo jets. Powering this mechanical monster are 2 massive MTU 65-liter 16-cylinder diesel engines, each producing 2,300 horsepower. Combined, you're looking at 4,600 horsepower of raw diesel fury. These engines don't power the wheels directly. Instead, they act as generators, producing electricity that is then sent to 4 electric traction motors, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. This diesel-electric setup provides tremendous torque, smoother operation, and higher efficiency compared to traditional diesel-only systems. What's fascinating is how BELAZ has managed to improve energy consumption in the 2025 model. Through better software algorithms, an optimized energy management system, and redesigned regenerative braking, the truck can recover energy when braking or going downhill, sending it back into the system. This lowers fuel consumption and increases operating efficiency, especially important when working in remote mining zones where every drop of diesel counts. Let's talk suspension and steering. You might be wondering how a vehicle this enormous can even turn. The 2025 BELAZ 75710 features a unique 4-wheel hydraulic steering system. All wheels steer, and it can perform a U-turn in a radius of just about 20 meters. That's incredible for a machine of this size. The suspension system uses nitrogen hydraulic cylinders that absorb shocks and balance weight distribution across all axles. These allow the BELAZ to maneuver over rough terrain with stability and confidence. The tires are engineering marvels in themselves. Each tire is over 4 meters tall and weighs close to 5 tons. They're made by Belshina, another Belarusian manufacturer, and are reinforced with special composites to handle extreme loads, heat, and sharp mining debris. The pressure inside each tire is constantly monitored by an integrated sensor system. Any irregularity is instantly flagged to the operator, ensuring safety and extending tire lifespan. Speaking of the operator, the cabin in the 2025 model is a world of its own. Far from being a rugged, bare-bones environment, the cabin now includes a high-tech dashboard with touchscreen control panels, GPS-based navigation, and a 360-degree camera system for total situational awareness. Air conditioning, noise insulation, and a comfortable ergonomic seat reduce operator fatigue during long shifts. There's even an automatic fire suppression system integrated into the cabin and engine compartments, keeping safety at the forefront. Automation is a big buzzword in 2025, and the BELAZ 75710 hasn't been left behind. It now supports semi-autonomous and remote operation. The onboard computer system can communicate with a central command center via satellite and 5G mesh networks. It receives route planning instructions, obstacle warnings, and fuel status updates in real time. In the event of emergencies or system failures, the operator can be overridden by remote control, ensuring the truck is always under watch. BELAZ has also introduced AI-powered diagnostics in this version. The truck continuously monitors over 200 parameters, from engine temperature to hydraulic pressure, tire wear to brake performance. Using predictive analytics, it can alert the maintenance team well before a component fails. This not only reduces downtime but also extends the life of critical parts. This predictive maintenance system is one of the reasons why BELAZ 75710 is considered more than just a truck, it's a smart machine. Environmental impact is another area of focus. The 2025 BELAZ 75710 uses a new exhaust after-treatment system to reduce harmful emissions. With stricter global regulations in place, especially in North America and Europe, BELAZ has ensured that the new model meets or exceeds Tier 4 emission standards. Lower NOx emissions and a redesigned fuel injection system contribute to better combustion and cleaner operation. Let's talk about capacity management. The rear dump body of the 2025 BELAZ 75710 has been re-engineered with high-strength low-alloy steel that provides excellent strength-to-weight ratio. The bed design has improved geometry to facilitate faster and more efficient unloading. Hydraulic lifts with load-sensing valves adjust their power according to weight distribution, ensuring the body tilts only when stable. Unloading a 450-ton payload takes less than 2 minutes. For better operational safety, the truck is equipped with radar-based proximity sensors. These detect objects around the vehicle and provide alerts to the driver. When in autonomous or semi-autonomous mode, these sensors allow the truck to stop or reroute automatically if a human or vehicle enters its path. Emergency brakes are applied instantly if collision risk is detected. Coupled with advanced telemetry, this feature dramatically reduces accident rates in crowded or hazardous mining environments. The lighting system has been upgraded too. High-intensity LED floodlights mounted on all sides provide visibility during night operations or in poorly lit mining pits. A new light bar system syncs with the onboard computer and changes color to indicate the truck's operating status: loading, moving, unloading, or standby. This visual cue system helps ground workers identify truck behavior from a distance. Inside the control hub of a modern mine, fleet managers can now monitor each BELAZ 75710 in real time using cloud-based software. Data such as location, speed, fuel level, tire pressure, engine health, and load weight are displayed in dashboards. Operators can assign jobs, reroute trucks, or halt operations with a single command. This centralization of control has improved logistics, reduced idling time, and optimized material transport schedules across many mining operations. Now you might be wondering, how does one transport a truck of this size? Well, the BELAZ 75710 is assembled on site. Its components are shipped in large modules via heavy-duty railcars or special low-bed trailers and assembled at the mine. This modular approach allows for easier international delivery and reduces the need for massive road clearances. The 2025 model also introduces a new weather adaptive control system. Sensors detect ambient conditions such as temperature, humidity, and road friction. Based on this data, the truck adjusts engine calibration, traction control, and suspension stiffness automatically. Whether it's operating in the freezing cold of Siberia or the scorching heat of the Australian outback, the BELAZ 75710 adapts itself in real time to maintain performance and safety. Fuel tank capacity has been increased to 6,500 liters in this model, allowing extended operation for over 24 hours on a single tank under typical load conditions. To aid with refueling in remote areas, BELAZ offers a mobile refueling station that can service multiple trucks simultaneously and track consumption digitally. Another new feature in the 2025 BELAZ 75710 is the driver fatigue detection system. Using sensors that track eye movement, steering behavior, and reaction time, the system identifies signs of drowsiness. If thresholds are crossed, an alert is triggered, and the operator is advised to rest or hand over control to remote operation. This helps reduce accidents caused by fatigue, a serious concern in long mining shifts. The cooling system has also been reworked with larger radiators and multi-fan configurations. The truck operates in environments where dust and debris can clog airways and overheat components. The 2025 model includes automatic self-cleaning mechanisms that flush the radiators with compressed air bursts every few hours. Now let's not forget durability. Everything from the chassis to the transmission is designed for extreme use. The truck can endure over 100,000 hours of operation with scheduled maintenance. Frame reinforcements, rust-proof coatings, and dust-sealed compartments ensure the BELAZ can survive some of the harshest mining conditions on Earth. In terms of communication, the BELAZ 75710 comes with a satellite comms module, VHF radio, and an emergency beacon system. If a truck breaks down in a remote pit, help can be summoned immediately. It also allows integration with drones and inspection bots that can assist in monitoring or inspecting parts of the truck that are otherwise difficult to access. Looking toward the future, BELAZ is developing a hydrogen-powered concept based on the 75710 platform. Early reports suggest a zero-emission prototype may be tested by 2027. If successful, it could redefine green mining and set a new standard in sustainable heavy-duty transportation. As we wrap up this epic look at the 2025 BELAZ 75710, it's clear this machine isn't just big, it's brilliant. It combines brute force with smart features, muscle with brainpower. It hauls, it thinks, and it leads the way in the mining world. From its twin engines to its electric drive, from its ICE systems to its autonomous capabilities, the BELAZ 75710 proves that even the biggest machine can evolve intelligently. Thank you for joining us on Highway Legends. If you loved diving deep into the specs and story of the BELAZ 75710, hit that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping machines, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions. Whether it's trucks, tractors, supercars or monster machines, we bring you the legends that define the road, and sometimes, make their own. Until next time, keep it powerful, keep it legendary.